Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Civic air filter. Start by opening the hood and locating the rectangular airbox near the engine. Remove the clips or screws holding the airbox lid with a screwdriver, then lift the lid carefully. Note the filter orientation so you install the new one the same way. Inspect the airbox for debris and wipe it clean before inserting the new filter and securing the lid firmly. Begin by undoing the fasteners on the airbox and lifting the lid straight up. Gently remove the old air filter, noting how it sits so you can mirror that when installing the new one. Check the filter housing for leaves or loose dirt and clean with a cloth or vacuum if needed. Dispose of the dirty filter responsibly and avoid knocking debris into the intake during this process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tiddy-ups effortless, and it even helps keep crumbs out of your car before air filter work. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if it fits your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new filter into the housing, matching the orientation you noted earlier so airflow arrows align correctly. Press the filter gently to make sure it is seated evenly and that there are no gaps around the edges. Reposition the airbox lid and fasten all clips or screws snugly, avoiding over-tightening. Reconnect the negative battery terminal if you removed it, then start the engine briefly to confirm normal airflow and no warning lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.